So today we're gonna be starting off the vlog with a couple of new things to show you guys that came in. There's more stuff for the wagon, little shit here and there, you know. So hopefully we can get it hooked up and everything comes out the way it's supposed to. Well, those came off the TL. You guys will see how that's looking in a bit. Got a box here from Up Garage. Another box that came from, let's see if we can get it without the address. This came all the way out from fucking Germany, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I got the Kenwoods for the EF. I got some clear side markers for the wagon. There's the center console. We got the rest of the shit right there. These ones are already spoken for. There's just all kinds of shit I still got laying around. But yeah, eventually you guys will see what's going on with the wagon. I'll start working on that this week as well. But yeah. But here's the TL. See it from the front. It looks a little bit different from the side. She looks a little bowed out. But front end. Still the front's on. See the lift light. Little things done to it. But yeah, mainly this is what's going on with the TL now. Gonna throw the front wheels on, mess with the ride height, the adjustment, everything, so that way it's all the way square all the way around. I got 18 by 11s in the 11s in the back. Gonna have 18 by 9s in the front. So it really shouldn't be much in the front because what's on there now is 17 by 9s. So I'll give you guys a walk around after I'm done.
More high performance like bigger or another class.
Oh shit.